Introducing Magicook Pro Solo Microwave that helps you enjoy effortless cooking at your fingertips. Here is a stylish, sleek, and compact microwave with superior powder-coated cavity, which comes with different power levels for you to cook different cuisines quite easily. Make some delicious homemade dahi with ease. A special feature in the Magicook Pro range helps in dough rising so that you can make tasty breads and Indian rotis. Get ready to choose from Magicook Pro's pre-programmed auto-cook menu and prepare a wide array of delectable Indian and international cuisine at home. Magicook Pro Solo Microwave comes with auto power for cooking your dishes with precision, auto clean for easy cleaning, and auto cook for easy operation at the touch of a button. The Feather Touch control panel instantly responds to your touch for an easy cooking experience. The advanced Jet Start button helps kickstart your cooking experience at the touch of a button. Get ready for minimum effort cooking right at your fingertips with Magicook Pro Solo. Magicook Pro Solo comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty and a 2-year warranty on Magnetron. Pay online using debit or credit card or via net banking. For EMI options and further information, refer to the product page.